Hi, I'm Dark Mr. INK, and these are my friends Volcano, Tsunami, and Heatwave. And today, we're going to blast fireworks at the store. Ha 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 ha.
Now we better run off before we all get severely burned by the fireworks.
Holy cow. That was awesome as heck.
What the hell? Why on earth is the entire store completely burned like this? Excuse me, you four. Do you all have something to do with this?
Yes. We blasted fireworks in the store because we were all bored out of our minds.
Oh. My. Freaking. Goodness. Dark Mr. INK, Volcano, Tsunami, and Heatwave. I cannot believe that you all blasted fireworks at the store. You know that fireworks are meant to be blasted outdoors, not indoors. Now we have to pay lots of damages thanks to you all. That's it. You're all banned from the store for 2 months. I'll also report this incident to all of your parents. Now all 4 of you leave the store and go home pronto.
Dark Mr. INK. We cannot believe you blasted fireworks at the store and caused lots of damages. Now we have to pay a hefty fine to repair the store, all thanks to you. That's it. You're grounded for 2 months.
Head upstairs to your room right now.
Volcano. We cannot believe that you blasted fireworks at the store and got banned for 2 months. You know that fireworks are meant to be blasted outdoors, not indoors. That's it, mister. You're grounded for 2 months.
Go to your room immediately.
Tsunami. We cannot believe that you blasted fireworks at the store and got banned for 2 months. That was extremely dangerous of you to do such actions like that. That's it. You're grounded for 2 months.
Now you better be waving to your room immediately.
Heatwave. Are you out of brain matter? We cannot believe that you just blasted fireworks at the store and got banned from it for 2 months. You should be ashamed of yourself, young mister. You're grounded for 2 months.
Go to your room, pronto.